How to use the Quick Add feature. Everything we offer is available online through our website. Our product catalog is organized by collection, helping you browse with ease. If you're placing an order and know exactly what you need, give our Quick Add feature a try. Quick Add was created with the event professional in mind. It's a powerful search tool located on the cart page, and it can be accessed from anywhere on the site using the Quick Add button at the top of the page. Clicking Quick Add jumps you straight to the cart page. From there, use the Quick Add search bar to add products by name. A drop-down will appear. Select the product you want to add. Additional product options like quantity, color, and size will appear, along with an Add to Cart button. Some products come with suggested or optional add-ons. Once you select your initial product options, click the Select Add-ons button. A pop-up with suggested add-ons will appear. Product quantities are automatically recommended for you. Be sure to check the quantity, then hit Add to Cart. Some items require add-ons. These cannot be removed. If it's not a required add-on and it's not something you need, simply edit the item quantity to 0 before hitting the Add to Cart button. Quick Add was designed to keep you on one page, saving you time while planning your events. The more familiar you become with our catalog, the more you'll find yourself using this powerful tool.